Have you ever wondered what's happening inside your Linux server in real time? Is your CPU overloaded? Which process is consuming all your RAM? Why is your server suddenly becoming slow? Instead of running multiple commands like top, htop, free, vmstat, and iostat, imagine having everything on one beautiful web dashboard that updates every second. That's exactly what Netdata does. In today's video, I will show you how to install Netdata on Linux and make it useful for monitoring your server. Netdata is an open-source real-time monitoring tool designed for Linux systems. Unlike traditional monitoring software that often requires significant setup, Netdata automatically detects hundreds of services and starts collecting metrics almost immediately. It provides per-second monitoring with a lightweight resource footprint while generating dashboard and alerts automatically. With Netdata, you can monitor CPU usage, memory usage, disk utilization, network traffic, running process, Docker container, database, web server, Kubernetes, and much more. The best part, most users can install it with a single command and begin monitoring within minutes. Let's compare it with traditional Linux monitoring. Normally we use top, htop, free, iostat, vmstat, sar, ifconfig, journalctl. Each command shows only one part of the system. Netdata combines all of them into one interactive dashboard. Advantages include real-time monitoring, interactive graphs, automatic dashboard, lightweight resource usage, built-in health alert, browser-based interface, hundreds of integration. Netdata supports almost every major Linux distribution. Examples include Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, Rocky Linux, Alma Linux, CentOS, Arch Linux. You only need internet connection, sudo privileges, and modern web browser. So before we install Netdata, we need to update the system. So open terminal and type sudo apt update. And once the update is complete, open the web browser and go to the Netdata website, which is netdata.cloud. And on this page, you can find this GitHub icon. Click on it. And from here, find the installation instruction for Linux. Scroll down and you can find the Linux installation. Click on it. And on this page, you can find the actual installation command. Now with the below options, you can customize this installation command, and before that you can also verify the script by running this command. So simply copy the command for the verification and on terminal paste it. Okay, so it says okay valid. Now we can run the actual installation command. So from here we can customize this installation command. As you can see, there are 4 options and we only want the first option to be enabled, leaving rest of the 3 unchecked. Now we can copy the command and run it on terminal. And based on your internet connection, it might take some time to install Netdata on your system. Okay, so the installation is complete now, and now let's check the status for Netdata. So type sudo systemctl status Netdata, and as you can see, Netdata is active and running. Press Q and let's enable it during boot. So type sudo systemctl enable Netdata. Now the last command was needed so that the Netdata can automatically start whenever you start your system. Okay, so the installation part is complete, and now we can open the web browser and go to the web portal for Netdata. Enter the IP for your Linux, enter the port number, which is 19999, and press enter. And as you can see, we are on the Netdata web interface. Now on the right side, you can see welcome to Netdata, and there is an option to sign in, but we will not use this option. Instead, at the bottom you can find the option skip and use the dashboard. Click on it. And the dashboard will load up. on the right hand side you can find different sections. So let's go and check few of them. So first, in the CPU section, it will show you the CPU utilization, system load, user process, kernel process, ideal percentage. You can instantly identify CPU spikes. In the memory section, you can find used RAM, free RAM, buffers, cache, swap. Perfect for finding memory leaks. In the disk, you can see disk read, disk writes, IOPS, disk latency, file system usage. Excellent for storage monitoring. After that, we come to network, and here you can find the upload speed, download speed, packet loss, errors, interface statistics. Useful for diagnosing network bottlenecks. In the process, you can see running process, CPU usage per process, memory usage, thread count. No need to use stop repeatedly. One of the Netdata's best feature is the interactive graphs. You can zoom in, zoom out, scroll through history, pause live updates, compare metrics. This makes troubleshooting much easier than reading plain terminal output. Netdata includes built-in health monitoring. It automatically warns you if CPU usage is too high, RAM is running low, disk space is nearly full, network errors increase, services stop responding. Many alerts work out of the box with default threshold, and you can customize them later if needed. If Docker is installed, Netdata automatically detects containers, CPU usage, memory, network, disk I/O. No manual configuration required. This is especially useful for home lab users. Netdata also supports monitoring databases such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, Redis. You will be able to view active connection, query performance, cache efficiency, database load. Many users ask, will monitoring software slow my server? Netdata is designed to be lightweight, typically using only a small percentage of CPU, and modest memory while still collecting per second metrics. Netdata is great for home lab monitoring, Linux servers, VPS monitoring, Docker host, Kubernetes nodes, Raspberry Pi, NAS server, cloud infrastructure. Whether you are a beginner or a DevOps engineer, it's a practical monitoring solution. If you are looking for a free real-time Linux monitoring solution that is easy to deploy and powerful enough for many production environments, Netdata is definitely worth trying. So that was it. We hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.